We're going to be reviewing the trade that I took yesterday, which made me 5% on the account. Here's the execution, open price, close price, and this was the trade that I actually took. So I'm also going to talk about my idea, what I think the price is going to do these upcoming weeks, maybe. I'm gonna tell you my long-term analysis on NQ and could tell you some short-term as well. But first of all, let's dive into the explanation why I entered the trade. Okay, first of all, let's talk about what did price do beforehand I entered. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna show you the session indicator. As you can see, here is the midnight open. Here we have the midnight open where our power of 3 happens. First of all, looking at the charts, I'm seeing that we have no clear manipulation on any sessions. We have this dump down, we displaced it down after London. We started during London and then we dumped after London session, and we had an SMT on the lows of this is a previous day low, guys, and we had an SMT here on previous day low, which means that we have a high probability long from here, right? It could have taken long to these equal highs that we generated before this time. So London Asia liquidity is resting. So who were making money before this time, before 6 a.m. people who were in short, right? So after I trade New York Open, right, after price came up, took out Asian high and London high. Of course, it's Tuesday. You shouldn't expect much of a price action during New York session because we have no news. And today, actually, the day that I'm recording is Wednesday, we have a big high impact news driver, which price is most likely going to wait and not have a good price action before we hit the CPI, right? So I didn't expect too much from this session. So after price took out this equal highs that we had during London and Asia session, that was my form of manipulation. And I was also bearish at the start of the week because we had a big expansion. We have a big expansion to the upside. I am waiting for the retracement, at least retracement, and retrace into this BC, and that was kind of my daily bias there. So after buy side taken, I'll wait for the confirmation. So this buy side taken, we're in this 15-minute CB that we have open. It's fully ECB, but this particularly this is unfilled, right? So when we came up there, so we came up here. Then what did we do? We were consolidating till 10:50 to 11:10. This is the time where I should have looked for a better entry, but I entered here and I held my position fully. I didn't take any partials after we took out this buy side. So many traders could have been trapped in this price action because we had displacement, 1-to-1 model, market structure shift, fair value gap. Many could have lost here. Then after we took out this buy side and we have a displacement here, yeah, we made an SMT with ES. Yes, didn't take this high out. NQ did take that high out. Let me show you. Yeah, NQ did take this high out. So we had an SMT here, which is a high probability short place. My fill was around here. So what did I entered on the disrespect of this fair value gap. So my fill was somewhere around here. My stop was on the high and my TP was all the way down to previous day low. So my TP was all the way down to previously low. Why did I not take partials? I thought about taking partial, which is here, which is of course a good decision. This is what you should guys do. But in my opinion, we had an SMT. Remember, I said we had an SMT on previous day low, right? So if this SMT failed, it was really high probability. I had good conviction that if this SMT failed, I would get my full TP. It's just it just comes off of experience. So why was this macro time a good time to trade? Because we don't have a news driver. You should rely when you don't have high impact news, when you are trading no high impact news day, you need to rely most of the times on macro times. This macro times is going to give you volatility because you don't have news, right? So this is the macro range, 1050 to 1110 that you could have taken a trade. What you could have done here is there's a turtle soup entry here, displacement down. We have an order block here, right? Order block, that's your short. Put your stop above the order block. Target the equal lows down here, this low, and the external target is previous day low. You could have taken could have gotten in the market pretty much everywhere here, right? Because there's a 1150 1210 macro. We could have traded that as well. I don't know, it's up to you. Many would have been trapped here as well because of this fake displacement to the upside. Price is seeking sell side, so this is not a good model to trade here, right? So this was the trade that I took. Now I want to talk about my long-term analysis, because many of you will be kind of you won't know what to do in this type of condition if you have not traded it. I have been here and I've traded this type of condition, which is not easy in my opinion. We are at all-time highs. As you can see, Trump won, price pumped up, we're at all-time highs. How do we trade it? We are just bullish till price proves us otherwise, right? If any major PD array will get disrespected, then you can shift your bias to bearish on daily, weekly, and monthly, right? But if that doesn't happen, we are bullish till it fails, till the bullish bias fails, right? That's what ICD said. And I think we're not going to be bearish for a while since Trump won, and I think we're going to be having some bullish market this month. I'm not going to trade December. Most of the December I'm not going to be trading, and the reason is December is not a good condition to trade in, at least for me. But if you look at the stats, look at the data, look at the market, how market was in December, you would know, because the conditions, the volatility is not there. Volatility is my friend and your friend, guys, because that is what moves the market, and that is where the high probability trades are taken, right? Because there's price is volatile, it has a volume, so it has direction, right? It has a reason to move to certain liquidity or imbalance, the reasons to that why price moves, right? So I'm bullish. I think we retrace a little more today. We can take previous daily low and find a long setup from there. But overall, yeah, I'm bullish. But intraday, you can take shorts. Yesterday I took a short. Why? Because I'm bullish. If price is going to be bullish, if at first it needs to come down first and then go up. So if you think the price is going to go up, it first needs to come down. That's the power of 3, right? Yeah, I think that's it for today. I'm going to be active, and I'm thinking that I'm going to make a series where I'm going to record me trading in December. I don't trade December on the real account, but I am going to paper trade maybe. And when I do so, I'm going to record it. I'm going to talk live in live price action, and I think they will help you guys, and they will make me some content for the channel. So I think that's it for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video and learned something new. If you did, leave a like and subscribe. And as always, have a great trading.